Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and I'm giving you a view of the new campsite. I moved from where I was yesterday because it was right off the main forest road, and there were just at least 100 off-road vehicles whizzing by. So I came down the forest road a little bit and then pulled off of it about a quarter mile. So I've got this beautiful site all to myself and loving it so far. All right, made it to Love's. Now it's shower time. All right, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Unfortunately, I don't need that right now. But I'll have a nice, long, warm shower. All right, so fresh and so clean. Now it's time to head to the laundromat. Here we go. Historic Route 66. I'll show you down that way on the return trip. Sorry about that. That's where you get your kicks. The wind was super brutal coming down this way. So this is actually Route 66 heading east, and I'm heading to the laundromat. And it's just pretty cool on this weekend day, seeing all the people out. There's an old car to the left, and just so much nostalgia here. It's awesome. This is, of course, Williams, Arizona. And Route 66 went from Chicago to LA and through Flagstaff. And I've been on parts of 66 there, but this town really focuses on the 66 route and the history, and is a real tourist town and a lovely town. I think if you're anywhere in the area, you need to come out and visit. It's definitely well worth it. And so much national forest area all around it, free camping. Plus, if you want full hookups, there are paid sites as well. But just going by, here's a steak shop and so many little places. A couple of new ones popped up, but so much history here. It's awesome. Well, I have a feeling this place is no longer open. There's no prices on their gas sign. But there's only 2 laundromats I found at Williams. One had bad ratings. Laundry open? Yeah. Is it? All right. Let's go check it out. All right, they're open. Let's go get some change. Well, $4 for a wash, but they look like new machines, and as little as 25 cents for the dryer. So here we wait. So this is the Canyon Coaster across the street from the laundry place. Looks like they get going pretty fast. A lot of people screaming. Looks like hardly anybody there in line. A couple of cars. Sorry about the wind. They're just heading in at the end of the rail there. Looks fun. So here's actually the rest of the laundromat now that nobody's in here. Some nice washing machines. Hopefully to get my shorts clean. Then we're off to Safeway to get groceries in a minute. Well, after the clothes dry. And laundromat Jesus, pray my clothes come clean and nice and dry. So now we're going on westbound 66. I don't think there's as many stores and restaurants and places like that. So I'm going to just play a little music here. You will see the iconic Route 66 Circle K and an aquatic center towards the end as we're on our way to Safeway. So to the left is the Safeway, and I know you can't see it, but that building there's a Dairy Queen, believe it or not. But check out that cool ambulance. Solar on the top, roof vent, pretty cool. There's a better picture of the ambo. But I think fall's definitely here. Woo. Beautiful. All right, made it home. Let Ninja out and starting to put away the groceries. And for dinner, my homemade pizza. Yes, here it is. It's being made in my home, so it is homemade pizza. So as I'm eating my pizza, Ninja decides to go up here, where she hasn't been in forever, and I don't know why she would be there. I think it was bad that she didn't get to eat pizza. All right, folks, time to go out before the sun sets. And of course, she'll be out after the sun sets. And there was the setting sun minutes ago. So the pizza was delicious. Ninja's been outside for a couple hours now. It's about 52 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to watch a few videos, wait for Ninja to come in, probably in a few hours, and call it a night. Thanks for watching. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this. Also, if you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you as a subscriber, as part of our community. Go out there, be positive, be nice, and be active.